Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert the arrow on your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the arrow here. So for an example, I just type A. Just go to the insert option here. Then click on the drawing option here and click on shapes. Here you can see there is a arrows are here, so you can use this arrow, but you can just create the size like this and click on the shape fill option. You use to choose the color of the shape, and the outline option which used to choose the color of the outline, and click save and close. Now it's automatically appeared here. So you can also move this, expand this, or move this by using this option, and you just make a space between the things, and there's a lot of the options out here too. Just go to the insert option here and click on drawing, then go to the shape. There is also this type of arrows are also available, so you can just pick a line like this, and you can have a draw option here, and if you click this, you can see the shape outline can be filled by using this particular option, and save and close. So you can see now the line has been appeared here. Just go to the insert. If you need an arrow, you just click on drawing, and you have an arrow like this. Now you just need to change the color black. I just chosen black here and save and close. Now it's appeared here, so you can see A, the arrow, and B. You can also adjust the size by expanding the like this, and you can also edit it to the new thing by this option. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about the Microsoft Office Word web, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.